Today, we're going to talk about the Izu-Bonin-Mariana Arc system. The Izu-Bonin-Mariana Arc system, or the IBM arc, is a convergent plate boundary system that is located in the western Pacific Ocean, approximately 2,800 kilometers off the south coast of Japan, and consists of the Izu-Bonin Trench, which is located in this area here, and the Mariana Trench, which is located in this area here. Now, both these trenches are situated in subduction zones that actually make up the oldest part of the western part of the Pacific Plate. This system extends past Guam, which is this island over here, and consists of the Izu Islands, the Bonin Islands, and the Mariana Islands. As the title suggests, it is an arc system, which is geologically defined as an area that is rife with volcanoes. This will be discussed later. Now, at the convergent plate boundary, the Philippine Sea Plate is being subducted. If one were to inspect the seafloor edge, it is evident that the oceanic crust towards the center is older than the crust that is located at a further distance from the subduction zone. This oceanic crust is actually the oldest oceanic crust to date, which is approximately, according to this scale here, 170 million years old. Another fun fact about the trenches along the IBM arc is that the Mariana Trench is, in fact, home to the deepest location in the Earth's solid surface, which is known as Challenger Deep. Now, as mentioned previously, there are a large number of volcanic islands located to the west of the Izu-Bonin-Mariana associated trenches. These volcanic islands actually form as a result of volatiles being released from the subducted Philippine Sea Plate. Why are they referred to as volatiles? Well, they are essentially steam trapped from water and other various gases, where the temperature becomes sufficient for these to release once a subducted plate, in this case the Philippine Sea Plate, reaches a certain depth. Now, if one looks to the west of the IBM associated trenches, we observe that there is a mid-ocean ridge that separates the Philippine Sea Plate here and another small sea plate, which is the Mariana Plate. Now, in terms of seismic activity, there isn't really much to discuss, since earthquakes don't seem to be frequent in the area. There are a few earthquakes that have occurred along the IBM associated trenches. As apparent, they have occurred in linear chains. But we see that there is extreme seismic activity to the north of the IBM trenches, where the Japan Trench lies.